Well, hello everybody, welcome to Best Life and Beyond. We are here in Monterey, California. We're at the Monterey Bay Aquarium.
Yay, I'm so excited. It's our first time. We've never been there, so we're just gonna go and explore.
Yeah.
Luckily we're here on a Thursday, so it'll be hopefully not too crowded.
Yeah, hopefully.
I'm really excited though. I think it's gonna be a blast.
Yeah.
Are you stoked?
I am. I love the little sea creatures, and on this trip, in one of the other videos, if we'll put the link in the description of our trip video of this whole trip, we saw some sea lions out on the jetty out there in the harbor. Otter. You guys have to see the footage. We'll put the link in the description. But for now, let's go check out the Monterey Bay Aquarium. All right, heading in. Check the admission in here. Look at this nice little lobby.
So cool in here.
Okay, so it's $49.95 for adults, seniors, and students, $39.95, and children, $29.95. And it looks really cool. I mean, look at this lobby. Is incredible, you guys. The orca just hanging there is like, it's like the Millennium Falcon of the Monterey Bay Aquarium right there.
Wow.
Look at these windows looking out to the bay. It's like giant.
Floor to ceiling, right?
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome. This is crazy.
And literally, as you walk by, you see these panels to this this pool right here.
Hey!
Look, he's smiling. Hey!
He's like, please like and subscribe.
Look at his little face.
He's coming right towards us.
Hello.
Hi!
He's like, will you tag me in that photo?
Dude, that was so cool. He came right up to us.
Yeah, he knew.
He's coming over here more than anything. Oh! Oh my gosh.
He's showing off now.
Look at him. Oh.
He's like, I can do this, and I can do this.
Oh, there's Ellen.
He's like, you're not going to get all the attention.
I want to pet him so bad.
In this room on the way to the cafe, there's some whales overhead. Pretty amazing. Anywhere you look around here, something to see. We couldn't get 10 feet without seeing that first tank and getting so excited. And we're starving and we're trying to make it to the cafe, but like these windows, you could stand here for hours, you guys. Got a full-blown cafe here. Look at this. We're starving. We're gonna get something to eat. So there's a formal restaurant on the other side, and then there's this kind of walk-up takeout side over here for all these types of selections, hot and cold. We got a little spot as close as we could get to the water. Look at that view, amazing. Unbelievable. And I hooked up a burger. This thing, oh my gosh.
Is it a chicken burger or did you do a normal
No,
burger?
it's a regular burger. It's got bacon and an onion ring on there.
Oh my gosh.
And it came with a barbecue aioli. I got it on the side because wasn't sure if we wanted that. That was about 15 bucks. And then Katie got this house salad that they kind of custom make it. It's like a salad bar, and the guy puts in.
You pick your topping that you want, like your little deli salad on top of it. But we just figured we'd split everything, so it's kind of a little bit easier. And then we thought while we were here, Cokes and I got Diet Coke. It
Mexican
just tastes
Coke,
better out of glass bottle.
And out of the bottle.
Different.
No, it is.
Different.
As well as it's not made with corn syrup; it's made with cane sugar.
Right.
So
you taste the difference.
Oh yeah.
Well, the other thing that I think is great about here is they said 30% of the food sale goes back into the aquarium.
That's awesome.
I thought that was just awesome, and they're very thankful for it. Like instead of just like, okay, thanks, enjoy your meal, they're like, thank you so much for your donation.
Right.
You're like, wow, I'm just trying to eat. Like that's pretty awesome to know that that's where our money's going. So
I agree.
we're gonna eat our lunch and enjoy our meal. Yeah,
this once it adjusts, there it is, amazing, and just all the way around, just great views.
Panorama.
Just noticed this heron, I think is what that is, if I'm not mistaken. He's fishing, keeping a watchful eye out for anything to see. Oh, what? Something over there?
Oh, so it's talking about the tide poles?
Oh, here it comes, watch out! Oh! Whoa, we just got sprayed too. Feel that mist?
Because it's hot.
And look, it's filling up. It's like when the tide comes in, right?
Oh.
Look at all the fish. They're like, whoa, what just happened? Well, the cool thing is there's this little cave down here. So you can come in here and feel like you're underwater. We're gonna go
underwater. Oh, when the thing's going off, here
Let's
goes.
watch and see what happens.
Probably just a little commotion. This is so cool. Whoa, bubbles!
That's what it looks like too underwater, like when a wave comes through.
It does.
Yeah.
This is so awesome.
Look at all the air bubbles. Is that aerating the oxygenating the water for them maybe?
Probably.
Whoa, here's the inside view.
That is so wild.
Katie, I give you the backside of water.
The underside of water.
Yeah, well, yeah.
I mean, technically. Whoa!
It's like the car wash. Alright, we made it over to the bat ray touch pool. There's some bat rays over there. Looks like they're sleeping.
Just a bit, and I'm gonna drip some on my nails. So. Oh, there we go.
Oh, he's slimy. Look at.
This is my nails.
He's so slimy. That's the weirdest thing. He's like, nope.
Little leopard shark? Is that what that is?
Oh.
Looks like a leopard. Yeah. Those are the harmless little guys that we have in our shorelines. Seen a few of those out surfing before.
Look at him.
Uh-oh. Stingray, meet that ray. Oh, whoa. Walks all over you, huh? That's just how it is. He's like, I don't care.
He's like, I'm from SoCal.
Leopard sharks in tandem. Look at that.
It's cool seeing
We
them
have
all
we have
together.
them all over the place. All right, so they have these cool cameras that are inside at the bottom level. Look at that.
And you can zoom.
So it must be right below us because, let's see. Oh yeah.
Look at, you can zoom.
So there it
too.
is. So where are you looking right now?
Look, I'm zooming.
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
Hello.
that's seagrass, you said? Look at his little face.
Probably picking, like, looking for little budgies on it. That's a bat ray.
What do bat rays eat?
That's a round ray. Probably crustaceans, like little shrimps and things like that.
Oh, here comes the shovel one.
He's like, hey Katie,
Shovel-nosed guitar.
get my good side.
Shovel-nosed guitar?
I guess it looks like a guitar.
Yeah, he kind of does,
kinda.
yeah.
I guess that's where they came.
Oh, and here comes the leopard.
Leopard sharks.
We get those a lot.
Leopard sharks they picked up right down in the ocean.
I bet, yeah. I see those a lot.
Yeah, they're pretty common.
Taking in some of the views in this kind of aviary,
Yeah.
open air display here. Look at the rocks on the coastline out there, just so dramatic. There's this cool simulated little seafood restaurant that they have with you know, digital menus. But what it's really here to show you is the effect that our, you know, desire for seafood, how it
says,
affects
place
the...
an order from the menu to see if your seafood choice is good for our oceans. I'm gonna go with the shrimp.
Okay.
Troll caught shrimp? Oh, it pains me so.
It's true. This may be America's most widely consumed seafood, but that popularity comes at a price.
For every plate of shrimp that you order, you're also getting an even bigger plate of bycatch.
That's what they call all those unwanted animals that are accidentally caught and usually thrown overboard.
Dead. We're dying. That includes endangered sea turtles. It honestly breaks my heart.
So if you must order shrimp, look for shrimp from the U.S. or please check seafoodwatch.org, the guide, or the app for turtle-friendly shrimp options.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt Crush, do we?
No, we don't.
Oh, hello. How's everything going? Comes a couple little sharks. Look at this guy. Hello. Okay, this dude's a beast. What the heck?
It's bigger than all the sharks.
Whoa.
What is that? Like a whale?
Monster.
It's monstro. Oh, it's a black perch.
Giant perch.
I think.
Oh my god. So I think here at the aquarium, you know how normally you're corn chip Katie?
Yeah.
Over here you're sandy seafloor, live from the... Wow, look at the kelp forest and the sunlight coming through the surface, illuminating all the kelp and all the fish. That's really cool.
But really, you can see from like all the way over where we were last night. It's like right there. Awesome.
Ocean Homes Splash Zone. This reminds me of like Small World a little bit, Katie. Doesn't it?
Yeah, kind of. Let's go to the splash zone. It's over here.
All right.
There's this school of swimming beautiful fish over there.
Wow. Look at that, you guys. How silvery that is with the sun coming through. Unbelievable. Wow. This is incredible. And then look who's coming up behind them. No wonder they're moving.
No way.
Big Daddy's coming to keep things all straight over here.
Huge.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the silvery
So
school
sparkly.
is just,
It's stunning.
it's mesmerizing. And look, they have a whole tank dedicated to these guys.
Oh, it says what they are. It says they are anchovies.
Oh, these are anchovies. Katie, look at the circular motion. It's like a whirlpool of anchovies. Look at this.
So all they do is just swim around all day.
That is so cool.
Blowing my mind.
Really cool kelp display. Designed so you can kind of walk under it and experience.
Wow.
Whoa!
That is cool.
There's another reporter that I've heard about. Kelp Forest Katie.
Hello everyone, this is Kelp Forest Katie reporting to you live from the biggest kelp forest in California. We're here enjoying the shade, enjoying all of the beauty and splendor of the kelp.
That's what it feels like.
Oh whoa,
Check it out.
it's really tough. It said shark skin.
Up this high, you really get a sense of the size of this tank. I mean, look at the size of the windows and look how small everybody is down there. Wow. Looks like Katie found a nice spot to take in the view of the entire Monterey Bay. We're up on the rooftop, the farthest level that you could get, and there's some periscopes or some telescopes to check out things. I mean, and you look down at this place is just amazing. You can see the entire facility here, right on the water.
It's stunning from like every angle.
Beautiful day, unseasonably warm,
Crystal clear too.
and it's October. And look at this weather. If you could feel it, I'm telling you, it feels like summer. Oh, look, there's more orcas. There's not only the orca that we saw on the way in, there's also this guy on this side. Right below the tail of the orca is the gift shop. All sorts of stuff down there to purchase and support this marine habitat that these guys protect so well.
Dude, this bridge is moving, and I'm like, I didn't expect it, and I was like, oh, we're gonna have to get a closer look at those sweet little otters. But now we're going into the open sea.
Oh, look, we can look down on Whaleisha. What are we about to get into?
The open sea.
All right, let's see.
You think you're so cool, don't you?
Oh, see? Oh, the open sea. Open sea. It almost looks like a projection, but this is real. Oh my gosh.
Just swim in a circle all day.
That is so crazy,
well, it
though.
makes you dizzy. Stay like this and just stare like that. These are sardines.
Welcome to Jellyville, the jellyfish. Seemingly suspended in space. Just so crazy. Get a close-up look at his undulation. Wow. These are like ghosts. They're so cool. Whoa, look at the reverse side.
So they're in the open sea. Wow, come here and look at this side of it.
What do they call this guy?
I don't know. It says it's a moon jelly.
Oh, of course. I've heard of the moon jellies because they look like moons. Look at this cluster of sea nettle. Wow. I've never heard of the sea nettle jellyfish, but wow, that is, it's cool how they cluster like that. These guys are almost invisible. Those are cross jellies because obviously there's a cross on their body there. Mini moon jellies, Katie.
That's so cool. It's so beautiful to watch them. Whoa, did you look down?
Whoa, bait ball down there. Look at the hammerhead shark.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Here comes this guy.
What the?
This is so cool. I don't know if it like reads on camera how awesome. That's called an ocean sunfish.
He's huge. Look how big he is. Look, Katie next to him. Like, hi, Katie. Okay, we came up to this next level, this viewing area, to get a real sense of the size of this tank. Look at this, you guys. Massive. I thought it was a projection when I first walked in. I thought, there's no way. Because the bottom is even further down than our level. Wow. Here comes that sunfish. He still looks huge even from way back here. Because look at him in the comparison to the humans down there. Look at that. Hi, buddy. What's going on there? I love that you can see his feet. Oh, that's so cool.
Because he likes Small World. He follows it.
There he is. Look at, they've got footage from one of the old 50s sci-fi movies with octopus. Look at, he's crushing the Golden Gate Bridge, it looks like. Look at those suction cups. Uh-oh, he's breaking in here too.
Sort of the color of the
Oh yeah, he's blending right now. Look at that.
He is very good.
Camouflaging himself, Mr. Octopus. Very clever.
Oh yeah, very good. Oh, there's organs or bless you. No, this size on. Huh?
Okay, let's watch him change his color and blend in with that reef now. Oh, he's going to hide. He's like, I'm out of here. Octopus garden right there. He's kind of shy right now. A little camera shy. Getting cozy. All right, well that wraps it up, you guys. That was amazing.
Stunning. Absolutely blew me away.
Overwhelming.
I knew people had said this is like an awesome place, but it exceeded my expectations. It was incredible.
Could have spent more hours there, to be honest with you.
I was gonna say, we tried to see as much as we could, but we're pretty tired. We have only like a few days in this vacation, and you know, so. But hey, we saw a good time.
We saw pretty much everything, and highly recommend coming up here and doing this. Family-friendly type of situation. Even the food was really good at the cafe.
Incredible. Like, again, exceeded my expectations. So,
it really did.
If you really enjoyed this, please make sure you let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you know when we go live and when we drop new videos.
And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members. I'll link all the information in the description box below on how to do so.
That we will, and we will see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!